So easy recipe cod and pepper sauce. Cut the pepper into small slices, chop the garlic and basil. Fry the pepper in sunflower oil, add garlic and basil. When the ingredients are fried, put the mixture in a blender, grind to the consistency of mashed potatoes. Thinly slice 1 large onion and 2 zucchini strips. Put it on the bottom of the mold, salt and pepper. Spread the cod fillets on top. For the sauce, rub 150 grams of parmesan. Put the mashed vegetables on the fire, add cream. As soon as the cheese starts to boil, we wait until it melts, salt, pepper to taste and remove. Pour the sauce over the fish and put it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees. Subscribe and like.